Coming up next, the INEOS Automotive Grenadier. Hey folks, Mark Savage here with Savage on Wheels. You know, we're here with Colleen, and she's going to tell us just a little about it. This is a new company that has been around since, what, 2022?
Yeah.
So that's not very old.
Right.
So, based in London, but this is built in France, correct?
Right.
So something totally different here. What the heck is this?
This was the dream of Jim Ratcliffe. He loved the old Land Rover Defenders and signed up the heritage of that. So what he decided in the early 2017-2018 time period, you know what, I'm going to build my own automotive company and give people what they really want.
Yeah.
So he was in a Grenadier pub in London with three of his buds, and they all decided this was what we needed.
Over beer.
Over a beer, or probably gin and tonic.
Oh, okay.
In their case.
Okay.
But the result is this is the Grenadier Trialmaster that we have here today. It's sold in 18 dealerships across the U.S. There's 2 in Canada.
And it's Trialmaster, not Trailmaster.
Thank you. Jim Ratcliffe also owns Belstaff, which is a leather jacket manufacturer out of UK. Very important. So it's not a Trailmaster, even though it's great on trails.
Yes, apparently so.
That would make too much sense. Trialmaster. And then the other model is the Fieldmaster, and that's more heated seats, leather seats.
A little more luxury.
Upscale and such. But the Trialmaster is your off-roading god.
Yeah.
This is what's really going to take you out there. You've got a front and a rear diff lock. You've got a wonderful transfer case that'll take you down to low really easily. It's got a BMW powertrain with an inline 6. You've got some great road clearance, but yet there's a steel plate underneath. If you see a rock, you're not going to hurt anything.
Yeah.
Recaro seats, very comfortable. We also manufacture in an old plant in Hambach, France, that once belonged to Mercedes when they made the smart car.
Smart car over there. Okay.
Right, so we have BMW
This is a lot different than a smart car.
Right, a little bigger.
A little larger and a lot more power, I'm sure.
Correct.
How much horsepower does this?
282 horsepower.
282, so that's more than enough.
Plenty of.
And we're going to take it off-road here at Road America. And they've got a heck of a nice off-road course. A lot of mud is already caked up here.
Right.
And some water out there too, so that's going to be fun.
Enjoy it.
Okay, we are deep into the mud and muck at Road America in a INEOS Grenadier, named after the bar that it was conceived in.
Yeah.
And we are rocking and rolling. This thing has 283 horsepower, inline 6. So it's a BMW powertrain, and it's kind of a, you know, I don't want to call it Frankenstein, but it's a mixture of parts from various manufacturers out there, all top-end people. And this one goes for, I believe they said 82,000.
Yep, 80-ish.
Yeah, so 80-ish. But you know, I mean, I had a GMC pickup recently that was 103,000. So I guess this is moderately priced
for what we're doing here.
For what we're doing here, and we're crawling over everything that we can get a wheel on, right?
Yep.
This is pretty awesome. A lot of rocking and rolling, but hey, we've done this in Jeeps before too, right?
Yeah.
And
the interior in this is different.
Yeah, look up above us there, Paul. Can you see all those buttons?
It's like we're on a
jumbo jet.
Yeah.
Right.
Wait. Yeah.
Look at that. That's crazy. But you can get this just about any way you want it, and there are a couple different versions. This is a Trialmaster, they call it, and because it could be a Trailmaster, but they like Trial better. I'm not sure exactly why that is. And we're going to do a quick reverse action here to make sure we make this turn.
Yeah, it doesn't have a real big turn radius.
No,
I mean, well, it is a big.
It has a big turning radius. It doesn't have an easy turning radius. Yeah, we just had a smaller Jeep, and obviously a smaller wheelbase. But that thing really, that was easy to get through right here. But this is, got to work at it a little bit. And then there's water up on that little one.
Back with a beast this time.
All right, here we go. All right. What the fuck? Oh my God!
Oh, it's all in here too.
Oh, turn. Oh, lordy morty.
This is a little bit different than a Wrangler.
It is a little different. There's a lot of this. I drove this to lunch.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Like, this is kind of fun.
It's got a lot of stuff, cool stuff in it.
yeah. You know, you got all your
Yeah, it's like an airplane.
BMW engine.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's what they say.
Yes, it's interesting.
Pretty cool.
All right.
You're getting beat by a Subaru.
So I'm driving now.
Yeah.
I'm driving.
We switched drivers here.
Yeah.
Paul's getting to do all the mud and all the puddles, baby. This is fun.
The one thing I noticed about this, like the instrument, it doesn't have a traditional like speedometer up here.
Right.
The speedometer is up to your right,
It's over here, right in the middle.
and this is all your like warning stuff in the middle.
Yeah.
So it's different.
It's almost like a military vehicle of some sort.
But all this stuff up here reminds me like I'm in a jet airplane.
Yeah. Remember, right,
Here we go. Yep.
not left. Turn.
There we go.
There it is. There it is.
There we go.
This is a challenging part here with the rocks, man.
Yeah.
But we came through this with the Jeep, and it was actually pretty easy.
Yeah.
Now we're going to try with the Grenadier. Slow down.
Oh, there's a skid plate.
Yeah, something.
There's a skid plate.
So, I mean, Paul's the off-roader. I'm the guy that's just learning off-roading. But this thing is a beast. This Grenadier, you can see all the mud that's all over this thing. I mean, look at the stuff up on the side of the fender here. It's just crazy. A lot of power. I'm sure this would crawl over any size rock, any crevice, whatever. It has a little bit bigger turning radius than we are used to on some of the other vehicles we've driven. But hey, a lot of fun, and you know, for $82,000, what else are you going to get that's going to do all this? Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Wow!